down near the burn shop, over here at the saw. What problem are you having over here, Dylan?
Well, the pressure bar is not a true 90-degree angle. So what's happening is we're setting the part down and we're attempting to level it out so we can cut this without a compound mitering. But the problem we're having is it just doesn't want to sit nice and square, and it's just, we're having a lot of roll, and even if we get a shim pack, it's just never quite perfect, and it's killing us because our cuts are coming out compound mitered, and right now the picture frame, it doesn't allow for a compound miter. Everything has to be on the money, so we got to get these things in order some way or another. So this is how we were doing it before, and it appears to be level, but let's see right now. Well, that one came out pretty good, but it's this portion, yeah, right there. You can see at that very top, it's right here. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that way. We got to have this thing almost a true 90 from the long point to the next long point. So it's hard to do it with shims, and we had pre-made shims, and it just, every time we go for a cut, everyone was coming out different, and
You have a lot of defects.
a lot of defects. And the problem is too, you can't run your center gasket if you use shim packs.
Right.
But then it changes everything. It makes it want to roll even worse. So it's killing us on time. Too much. I guess it's not really over processing. We're just too many defects, like you said.
Got it. All right, well, let's see if we can fix this. All right, so we're back at the saw, and what we did is we 3D printed these templates that matched the profile of this part. So when you cut it, you back this part up against the saw. It keeps the part from rocking, so you get a great 45. And then to get the other side, because both sides have to be mitered, you just twist the part, and it fits into this one, and you back this side up against the saw. So Dylan, show us how this works.
Yeah, the other one?
Oh yeah. So how does this help you?
Well, a lot of ways. It allows the part to stay straight, true 90. It's faster because you're not fumbling around with shims. And when you put these clamps down now, it's keeping even pressure throughout the entire piece, at least in the span of the saw blade right here. So it's just a lot safer. It's less stress on the saw. So that's solid.
Let's try it.
White. Sounds clean. That's perfect.
Perfect.
Yep. Can't get it better than that.
Awesome.
So that's one side. And now that we're boxing these guys out, all we have to do, instead of having to turn the saw the other way or even flipping our part, all we do is simply rotate like that. So I'll just cut a little piece.
Other way.
It's like here we go. you go. There's your double 45. Perfectly square at the end on the long points. That's what we want.
All right, there you go.